Hey guys, it's Charlie from Fightfast. I'm back again with another street fight reaction video. Two guys doing a street fight at a basketball court, but this may be the first video that these people know what they're doing. Maybe. Let's check it out. Guy in the gray pants, his hands are down. I don't know what he was doing, waving around. The guy in the red, kind of wild, but definitely. Whoa, look at the guy in the gray pants. I don't know what kind of stance that was. The guy in the red may know. He's moving pretty good. Uh-oh. Look at the clinch entry. He almost gets caught in it. Guillotine. Oh, I think he got him down. The guy in the red shorts got him down. They try to break it up, and he did not want it broken up at all. Started to swing. I'm surprised he was able to get him down. He has like the rear clinch going on. The guy in the red is keeping control of this really well, and he looks smaller. Got him down again. Oh, I was going to say he's starting to get the neck, but look at that. He's getting the hand off him. Now he's using his knee. Man, that guy in the red, he is doing... You have to remember, when you're in these moments, everything's happening so quick. And that's why we tell you guys, take self-defense lessons. Watch these. Look at the comments, because it's not just my opinion. It's everyone else that's been in situations or just other opinions. So you got all this knowledge. So when you're in these situations, you get think. It's being blurred because he passed out. So guys, like I always say, if you guys don't want just like opinions of some YouTube editor, we got a free Fight Enders link in the description. Go click on that bad boy and you'll get trained by Navy SEALs, martial art people, you know, special ops, top people in our military, very highly qualified martial artists, and they'll give you real lessons and breakdowns. It's all for free in the link in the description. So yeah, let's go back one more time. See, the guy in the red, he has both of his hands up, and then the guy in the gray just puts his palm out. I don't know. This was the guy in the gray pants. I don't know. A lot of things were questionable. The guy in the red swings a wild punch and misses, and the guy in the gray pants could have capitalized right there, but the guy in the red shorts ducks down pretty fast and gets out of there. And then in the gray, I do not know what kind of stance this is. I don't know. Maybe you guys know and you're like, that's a really good stance. I don't know. It looked wild though. Yeah, this one was probably one of the most interesting. The guy in the gray pants is definitely bigger than the guy in the red, but the guy in the red, look at this grab. I thought the guy in the gray pants had it right here after he got this grab on him. Thought he was going to do like a guillotine or something, or even like, dude, he could have just went like right there. Let me rewind it just a little bit. He had his hand around that neck, and he could have just fell back into the cement, do a WWE move like the DDT, but on cement. But he moves his hands down to get a hold of his body, and that's when the guy in the red shorts just takes him down. And then he grabs his neck, and then people try to break it up. The guy in the red shorts basically threatens everybody, but nobody better stop this fight. And then he starts throwing some wild punches. He rolls over, loses control. Now he has like a rare clinch. He looks like he's gonna take him down. But then the guy gets him back in that like neck hold, you know. Looking like he about to do that guillotine, but then the guy in the red shorts just grabs him again, slams him. And then right here it looked like he almost messed up. But look at that knee. He puts that knee weight on his arm, so that arm's not going as well. So he only has that one arm. But he's doing pretty good with that one arm. But that guy in the red shorts is able to grab his wrist, move it down, and then use his knee bottom half of his weight, you know, to hold left arm down. This was a crazy one. This was actually, compared to like a lot of the other ones we react to, this one was like, I think I would say, out of all the ones we have reacted to, I'm not saying on the internet or anything wild like that, but that reacted to. These were definitely two people that had more fighting experience than anyone else we've reacted to in this channel. Yeah, this was a crazy one, guys. Sent this to me once again. You know, we got a free, totally free digital download. It's in the description. Click on the link. You'll get a whole bunch of free fight ending tips and techniques and breakdowns by real professionals. Go check that out. And also, the biggest thing, go leave your comments, guys. What do you think about this? Did you see any things that could have helped this fight? Of course, you know, we always, the best thing in the street fight is to not get in a fight, walk away. But they were going at it. What did you see that the guy in the gray pants could have did differently? What did you see with the guy in the red shorts could have did differently? Please put your discussions in the comments. It helps others out that find this channel or just our channel members. Thank all of you guys that are channel members. But let us know what you would do differently. What did you catch in here? And this is our community. Let's all add to it and everybody gets knowledge. I'll see you guys in the next one.